Hi everybody, we're going to do 154 divided by 7. We're using the standard algorithm for long division. Let's go ahead and get started. So the first step is to divide. So normally we'd take that first digit and we'd say, how many times can 7 go into 1? But that doesn't make sense. So if this number is smaller than that number, you have to combine these two, and then it becomes a lot easier. How many times does 7 go into 15? Well, if I skip count my 7s, I'm just trying to see how close I can get to 15 without going over. That's the closest I can get. So 1, 2 times. Now we're going to multiply. So the last thing you touched with that 7. 2 times 7 is 14. It's the closest we could get. Now we subtract 15 minus 14, which is 1. We're ready to bring the 4 down now. So go ahead and put it next to the 1. And what do we have left? We have a 14 to work with. We're going to divide again. What is 14 divided by 7? 14 divided by 7 is 2. 1, 2. So go ahead and put that 2 up here. And now you're going to multiply it back. 2 times 7 is 14. Subtract 14 minus 14 is 0, which means there's no remainder. There's nothing left to bring down, and that's how you know that you're all finished. Let's just review those steps real quick. So divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. First we did 15 divided by 7, or how many times can 7 fit into 15, which is 2. Then we multiplied that back. 2 times 7 is 14. Then we subtracted 15 minus 14 is 1. Then we brought down the 4. Then we started over, so we divided again. So we did 14 divided by 7, or how many times can 7 fit into 14, which was 2. Then we multiplied it back. 2 times 7 is 14. We subtracted 14 minus 14 is 0, and there was nothing left to bring down.